So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, today I am gonna teach you that how you can convert this into this. So let's get started. So guys, first of all you have to learn that how to make a white cross on the Rubik's cube as a beginner method. So for that you have to remember this color pattern, which is red should be on top, orange on bottom, on left side it should be blue, and on right it should be green. So you can see it clearly. The red is on top, blue is on left side, orange is in bottom, and green is on right side. So let's make it once. I am finding my white centerpiece. It is here. Blue color is already arranged. So I have to find now the three colors which are orange. I have found it here. At the bottom, I have arranged it at the bottom. Then we should find the green color. It is here. So I have arranged the green color. Now the red and the last piece. It is here. I'll bring it here. And now place it correctly. Now you have to make an eye to see if your color pattern is correct or not. So you can see I have made eye. And this is matching of every color. So guys, now you have to place the corner pieces correctly at their right places. So you can see that in this cube, I have placed all the corner pieces correctly. As you can see, orange blue is at its place, blue red, red green, and green and orange. These all pieces are placed correctly at their right places. So now, we will arrange all the corner pieces correctly in this cube also. So let's find. As we can see that red and green is already placed at the right place. White is facing our side in the left side. So we will apply this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. Then the red and green color is placed correctly at the right place. Now let's find another piece. Orange green is at its right place. So now you can apply any algorithm if the top is facing your side. So you can apply any algorithm. It is L prime, U prime, L, U. Or you can also apply R, U, R prime, U. You can apply any of the algorithm in these two. Now let's try with L, U. L prime, U prime, L, U. L prime, U prime, L, U. L prime, U prime, L, U. And this is placed correctly at their right place. Now let's place orange and blue at its right place. We brought it near their pieces. White is in left side. So we will apply the algorithm of RU. R, U, R prime, U. Blue and orange is also placed correctly. And it's time for the last corner piece. Let's bring it out. White is in right side, so we will apply the algorithm L prime, U prime, L, U. And we have placed all the corner pieces correctly at their right places. Now we have to place all the edge pieces correctly at their right places. As you can see in this cube, I have already placed all the edge pieces correctly. So now let's place all the edge pieces correctly in this cube. So for that you have to make an eye of the same color. Like we have find an edge piece with blue. So we all can see that I have made an eye here. So we know that this blue and red piece will go here. So for that we have to apply this algorithm. First of all you will place it here. So now apply this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U. So now you have to apply the algorithm L prime, U prime, L, U at this side to match these colors. L prime, U prime, L, U. So we can see that I have placed this color. So now let's try it with another color. As we can see, we have found an edge piece of green and red. So now it is green. So we will place it here. I have made an eye of the same color. Green and red will go here. Now we will apply this algorithm. First we have to do this. So now we have to apply this algorithm. L prime, U prime, L, U. Now from this side, to match these two colors, R, U, R prime, U. So now you can see that I have placed this edge piece correctly. Now we can see that we have found this green eye here. This edge piece will go here. So for that, this and same algorithm on the right side, R, U, R prime, U. And from this side, we will apply the algorithm of L prime, U prime, LU to bring this edge piece with this one. L prime, U prime, L, U. So now only the last edge piece is left. We can see that it is orange and blue. We will make the eye of orange color. Then this orange and blue edge piece will go here. The same thing we will do with this. R, U, R prime, U prime. And from this side, L prime, U prime, L, U. We are on the last and final layer of a Rubik's Cube. So for that, you have to make a yellow cross first of all. For that, you will find two situations, in which first situation is there will be a L. So you have to place your L like this. Now apply this algorithm which is flashing on the screen. M dash, R, U, R prime, U prime, and M dash. So guys, in second case, we will find there is a eye formed from the yellow color. So for that, you have to apply this algorithm. First of all, you have to rotate this layer like this and apply this algorithm, R, U, R prime, U prime, and rotate the layer back at its right place. Our yellow cross is done. So now we have to place all the edge pieces correctly at their right place. So you can see blue and red is placed correctly at their right place. Now you will also find two situations here. First will be two edge pieces will be placed correctly at their right place and two will be not. So for that, you have to apply this algorithm from the right side of the edge piece placed correctly. The algorithm is like this: L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U2, L. And now you can see all the edge pieces are placed correctly at their right places. In the second situation, you will find that two colors are placed correctly like this, but two colors are not placed correctly. So for that, you have to apply this algorithm, which is R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now you can see that two colors will be placed correctly at their right places, like this, which was in first situation. So we will apply the algorithm which was in first situation, L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U2 prime, L. Are all edge pieces are placed correctly at their right places. We are towards the last step of our Rubik's Cube, which is to place corner pieces correctly at their right places. So you can see no corner piece is placed correctly at its right place. So now you have to keep applying this algorithm until all corner pieces are placed correctly at their right places. The algorithm is like this, which is flashing on the screen also. As you can see, orange and green pieces came at its right place, but no other corner piece has gone to its place. So we will apply it algorithm again. So guys, our all corner pieces are placed correctly. Now you have to make a yellow roof at the top. So for that you have to apply this algorithm. So guys, finally our Rubik's Cube is completed. Hope you like the video.